Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you've been subscribed, thank you so much for your loyalty, your patronage. Please, ladies and gentlemen, like this video. I have an exciting topic. The topic of today is how to use a flashlight. We're going to discuss one of many techniques. Just one today. That technique is called the FBI technique. Now, if you're working in private security and you are a manager, you're a supervisor, maybe you're the owner of the company, please forward this video to your staff that works at night. This video is going to help them understand how to correctly use a flashlight, how to use one technique out of many. Now, if you are a staff member, you're an employee, and a coworker, a manager, a supervisor, the owner of the company forward you this video, that means a lot, you guys. This person, this boss of yours, this peer, this coworker, really cares about your safety, and they care about whether or not you come home for the night, after the night is done. So please take this video seriously. If you have any questions, please let me know. So let's begin. So the FBI technique is a technique that is used for searching for something. You're looking for something. You can also use this technique during your daily rounds. The technique can be used when there is an unidentified threat. Maybe you're not sure something is a threat, but you're just looking. So the way the technique goes is, let me put it on the lower light so I conserve my battery. I'm going to hold the light away from my head and away from my body. So I'm right-handed. My right hand is my strong hand. My left hand is my support hand. So I'm going to hold it up here. I'm going to hold it up to the left, as far away from my head, as far away from my body as I can. If I am left-handed, I'll hold the light over here, the upper right, and up here, above here. See that? I'm not going to hold it right like this. Okay? I'm not going to bring it close to my body like this. Okay? I don't want to backlight myself. This light goes as far away as possible. Backlighting is an issue. Okay? I'm doing this, holding a flashlight like this. Okay? I'm illuminating myself. I'm telling the threat out there that, hey, I am right here. How you hold a flashlight has a lot to do with your command of presence. We got people out there, parolees being discharged from prison. They're locked up 10 years, 20 years, 25, maybe longer than that. And they are constantly observing the behavior of the correctional officer staff, the correction officers out there. They're seeing how they hold flashlights. And yes, correctional officers do need, on occasion, they do need a flashlight. There are some darker areas that need to be lit up. These prisoners, these inmates, they're constantly watching the corrections officers. If you're out there holding a flashlight like this, okay, or like this, the parolee, the person that left prison, they're going to feed off of that. And they're going to know that they're dealing with somebody that may not have training, that may not have law enforcement training, security training. They might take advantage of you, ladies and gentlemen. The way you hold a flashlight parallels your command of presence. The FBI technique, like I mentioned earlier, is a searching technique. You're searching, making sure there's nobody hiding in the bushes. Maybe you're just doing your rounds. Okay? Do not get lazy. This can be a little bit tiring, but it's a good workout. Okay? Away, up and away from your body. Now, the theory behind this is that if somebody's hell-bent on hurting you, they're going to focus. I'm being careful with the words that I choose because I don't want this video to be flagged. But if somebody's hell-bent on hurting you and they have a weapon, they're going to aim that weapon towards, they're going to gravitate towards a light. So if this area right here tends to be illuminated, okay, you backlight yourself, they're going to focus in on this area. You put the light all the way up here, there's more chance that they're going to focus in this area here. That's one of the theories that is behind the FBI technique. This technique is shown at a lot of instructor level schools that are all across the nation. The best firearms training schools out there, they're still showing the FBI technique. Some instructors, they're saying, I mean, some of them, they really don't like the technique because if something happens, you normally don't get two hands on your primary weapon if you are armed security. And that's one of the cons that are with this technique. But there's a great deal of instructors that still support the FBI technique. Now, what I like about the FBI technique is you get a different depth perception when you try to illuminate a dark area. So let's just say you're searching this area right here. Maybe somebody's hiding. Okay, maybe you're just checking for maybe they've been breaking in through the walls. You have a wall bandit or a roof, a ceiling bandit or whatnot, but you're just checking the property here. So what you would do, or the benefit of the FBI technique is, like I said, you get the angles. You hold it about right here, okay, and you can see on the other side of the couch. It's very difficult to show, I know, because you're over there on camera, but you do get different angles, okay? And I practiced this at low light instructor school, and the instructors, they actually hit somebody in back of the couch, and only the students that use the FBI technique, they're the only ones that are able to see the other student that was hiding behind the couch. You get different angles. With a weapon-mounted light, you're restricted to the area that's directly covered to the muzzle, and with weapon-mounted lights, remember, if you're flashing light at somebody with the weapon-mounted light, you need to have legal justification for pointing that weapon at that person, because where that light points, that's where the muzzle goes also. So this is what I like about the FBI technique. Even, let's just say, even you're searching for a child somewhere, and maybe this child took off with a suspect who's maybe, I don't know, maybe a child, maybe this is a possible kidnapping. So on your property, you're looking for this horrible person, and you're also looking for a child. Now, obviously, the facts are going to change around. Facts dictate what type of tactics you choose. But you're looking for this child. What legal justification do you have to point your firearm at this child? You don't. You don't have any legal justification for that. So that's one of the reasons why I love the FBI technique. Okay? I'm not going to talk about how you would hold your primary weapon and the flashlight. Again, I don't want to get flagged for this video. But actually, I'll skip that. I'll skip that, guys. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the FBI technique. Do you use it at all? Have you been trained on it? Is this video that that you're watching today, does somewhat reflect what you were shown? Let me know what you guys' thoughts are, and I am looking forward to the dialogue. Once again, the FBI technique is one of many techniques. I cannot discuss every single small intricacy that involves lights. This video, I want to make it short and I want to make it simple. So we'll reserve more tactics, more training, more debriefs for other videos. Okay, you guys all take care, and please watch your back, watch your partner's back, and please be safe.